Let's see how to perform a slip within the cut page. Slip will be much more explained in the edit page later on within the course. So here I'm gonna show you that it exists in the cut page and how it operates. All the details that you need to know about slipping, which is very powerful and very useful, will be explained later on in the edit page. If you hover over a clip, for example, you will notice that you have this brackets with a double arrow here. If you click on it and start dragging left and right, notice what's going to happen. In the monitor, you will have a 4-up. On the top left, you will see the in point of the clip you are slipping. On the top right, you will see the out point of the clip you are slipping. The bottom left is for the last frame of the previous clip, and the bottom right is for the first frame of the next clip. If you move left and right, you will notice that you are changing the in and out point of the clip you are slipping, but without changing anything in its time. The time stays constant. So actually here you are adjusting the in and out point. So now you can adjust this clip and you can see the in and out point. Now without the snip tool, you will have to go to the in point and of course now trim it. There is a change of time if you notice, and then trim the out point to have the time back, which is almost impossible, just to adjust the in and out point. I'll do this too, I've done. But the snip will allow you to adjust the in and out point, keeping the time of the clip always the same. So this is about slipping, and when we go to the edit page later on, you will learn more about the slipping here and what are these white bars that are appearing and lots of other stories. I will give you good examples.